Hi guys, welcome back. This is Jess, as you already know from Dream with Jess. And today we are actually going to be building Legos. We are going to be building an X-Wing set. Not that huge, gigantic one that you see in all the Lego stores, but we'll be building just a little version of that. I can't wait to be able to build this. I have the bigger version of it. Let me know if you would like to see the big version built over a series of videos. Let's get set up. We are building the X-Wing Starfighter, the miniature version, like I was saying earlier. This was a gift with purchase if you bought the big X-Wing during their anniversary. I think it was like the 40th anniversary Return of the Jedi, something like that. But it is about 86 pieces. It shouldn't take us too long, so let's dive in. Almost already lost a piece. It's not even a book, it's just like, so this should be pretty quick. This should be pretty quick. Go ahead and set that right here. It looks so cute. It's so tiny. Okay. So we have these four. We gotta do these. So this goes here. Okay, it looks like these just clip right into little pieces. Ta-da! It's so tiny! Guys, that was so fun. Now we have a tiny little X-Wing! Look at how cute! And the wings kind of like move, which is, I don't know if they're supposed to move, but... Thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure you stick around for more future Lego builds. If you'd like to see more, make sure you hit the subscribe button so you can follow along on all of our other journeys. And I hope to see you guys again soon. Bye, guys!